Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy process on how to find your Trust Wallet address. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Trust Wallet app from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your Trust Wallet account. Once you're logged into your wallet, you'll be able to land in this page over here. This is the home page for Trust Wallet. If you'd like to receive or send cryptocurrencies, then you'll need to find your wallet addressed on Trust Wallet first. You'll need to choose one of the cryptocurrency that you'd like to receive. Tap on the Receive button at the top, right under your main wallet. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see all of the tokens that are available in this page. For example, if you want to find your Bitcoin wallet address, you'll need to tap on Bitcoin. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your Bitcoin wallet address displayed on the screen right beneath the QR code. If you simply tap on the address, you'll be able to copy your wallet address for Bitcoin. Once you copy that, tap on Share in order to share it to one of your friends from whom you'd like to receive a cryptocurrency. That is how you should be able to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Remember that each wallet address is different from one another, so if you'd like to receive some BNB, then you'll need to tap on the BNB token and find its wallet address. That is how you'll be able to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.